What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're focusing on the grand final of Super Rugby AU Australia. It's been an interesting season. What a cracking game, full of surprises. Unfortunately for the Western Force, they do not end on a great note, but it comes down to these two teams, the Brumbies taking on the Reds. We've seen great performances from the Waratahs. It started off a bit shaky, came back a bit, which I was happy to see because I support them. We saw the Melbourne Rebels put in a hardy performance, so well done to them. But I'm excited to see what the Reds and what the Brumbies can do. Brumbies have really shone and look great for Rugby Australia, and it gives you a lot of hope, as I'm sure Australian fans would, to know that there's some solid players coming from Brumbies land. I mean, Scott Sio for one. I mean, Falau Fianga, another one. The first 1 and 2 is just cracking rugby players. Joe Powell, another one. Tom Banks. There's some good players within. I mean, Captain Allen for the Brumbies. I mean, there's just class within the squad. But let's not forget the Queensland Reds. I mean, they've got also phenomenal players who've got them to the position. JP Smith, Brandon. I mean, come on. We've got some quality within both squads. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. It should be a cracker. We're seeing changes in the squads. Two guys that are in, Murray Douglas and Noah Losio. They come into the squad for the Brumbies. The guys who are out are Darcy Swain, Len Ikitau, Ryan Longergan are removed from this one. For the Queensland Reds, we see Jack Hardy come in, Ruan Smith come in, and then out are Chris, I'm going to call him Chris, and then Jack Stroker is going out for the two teams. So it's going to be a cracking game to look forward to. I'm excited to see how these two teams phase out. I mean, generally, when you look at this contest, you're going to go Brumbies. I mean, Brumbies ends off top of the log. They know what they're doing. But Reds, second, 3 points behind. Can we really count them out? I mean, it's a tough team. Yes, you're going in for the advantage and all that stuff. You've had a lot of changes this year. COVID-19 has really disrupted the situation of Super Rugby. But it's going to be an awesome game to look forward to. I mean, both these respective teams have not seen a final in quite some time in the stadiums. So it's going to be a lot to look forward to for these teams as they approach this big game. And we get to see what happens. I mean, I'm excited, and I think we're going to see, I'm hoping, a big try-scoring game with teams up and down. Lots of points, no red cards, no yellow cards, just quality try-scoring rugby. That is what the fans want, really, and hopefully that's what we're going to get. If we look at some of the stats of these two teams, I mean, the current stats for the Brumbies itself, they've played 10, won 8, lost 2. Last encounter was to the Reds itself, and the Reds won 26-7 on the 5th of the 9th, 2020. Remember that shock? Yes, we do. So that also throws a spanner in the works. What the hell is going to happen? How are these two teams going to do it? Does a final change it? Does it mean that the Reds are going to come in and pull it out the bag? Because generally, Brumbies have been the top Australian team for quite a few years now. So you would automatically go there. But do not count out those Reds, especially after that last fixture. Points for, 283. Points against, 175. 44 tries for the Brumbies and 20 tries against in the last 10 games. If we look at the form of the Reds, played 10, won 7, drawn 1, lost 2. Points for, 281. Points against, 180. Tries for, 37. Tries against, 23. Very interesting stats. Obviously, the last game was the Reds taking on the Rebels. 25-13 was the score. And then game before that was the Reds picking up a solid win over the Brumbies. I mean, those are the results that the Reds are going to take in with full confidence going forward. And it's going to be what they want to produce the results that they need to win. And I think that's going to be the motivation that this team needs to take to go forward. I respect both teams. I've got a soft spot for the Brumbies because obviously Jake was there before, Clyde Rathbone was there, Georgie Gregan. I grew up watching George Smith, grew up watching the great Stephen Larkham. So I've got a lot of love for the Brumbies. But I mean, let's not forget the Reds. We've seen quality within the squad as well. I mean, they've won the Super Rugby Championship before, and I think a lot of us forget that when we think of the squad, and we think all of a sudden, oh yeah, who knows? But I mean, James O'Connor, guys, Tate McDermott. I mean, James O'Connor is quite a turnaround story, and he's going to want to put his hand up and say to the boys, guys, I am here. I want an Australian opportunity for the Bledisloe, for the Rugby Championship. There are guys in these two teams that are going to want to put their hands up and say, I'm here. I want an Australian cap. And this is it. The guys I'm excited to see, for me, definitely James O'Connor. I've watched him for quite some time. I think he's a great player, and I think he's going to have a lot on him. And then Scott Sio, I've always enjoyed him as a prop. I think he's a solid brute, good player, and I think he's going to have a key moment in those scrums to make sure that he keeps the guys up and keeps these guys under pressure. And that's going to be the movement going forward. So it's a big game, a lot to look forward to. But I want to go with the underdog in the Reds, but I'm going to go Brumbies to win by 5. I'm hoping a close game. I think it's going to be a close game. But one thing's for sure, it should be a cracker, and Australia should be buzzing. So good luck to both teams. May the best team win. But I'm going Brumbies. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you real soon for another one. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and never give up. Cheers.